My topic is on restaurant and bar liability for intoxicated patrons who harm third parties at common law through today. When a drunk driver gets into an accident and harms someone in the third party, we automatically believe that the drunk driver is at fault. But did you know that the restaurant or bar who served the intoxicated person could be at fault too?
For example, if a bartender who is just trying to increase the bill as much as possible so that they can get as much tip as possible, gets a person completely drunk and then lets them drive home, they are just as responsible as the drunk driver.
And this is because of dram shop law. To break it down, the dram shop law first originated from the British word meaning measurement. Over time, the term started to refer to all types of alcohol. Then bars and restaurants that served alcohol started to be known as dram shops. In today's bar or restaurant, if you order a dram item, you will receive an exact measurement of a shot. The dram shop law dates back all the way to the 19th century.
And the dram shop laws stop bartenders from over-serving customers or patrons. And when a bartender decides to serve an individual and they become intoxicated or are under the influence of the alcohol, the bar or the restaurant is responsible or liable.
The dram shop law protects both the innocent victim of an intoxicated person along with the intoxicated individual themselves when they result in injuries. The law can hold the restaurant or bar liable.
And when a bar or restaurant violates the dram shop laws and an individual is injured, the bar has the responsibility to pay for the damage that the bar or restaurant caused.
Because the dram shop law is handled at state level and not by federal government, some states do not acknowledge the dram shop law. Currently, there are 8 states that do not acknowledge this law.
Guess what? It's totally against the law in South Carolina to serve alcohol to a drunk person in a bar or a restaurant. Totally illegal.
The dram shop law is divided into the first and third party cases that protect both sides separately. The first party case protects the intoxicated individual themselves when they result in injuries. The third party case protects the innocent victim of an intoxicated person's actions. These cases are very difficult specifically to proving that the bar should be responsible in place of the intoxicated person who acted. However, when a minor is involved, the bar who served the alcohol will always be liable.
And make sure the physical description and the photo on the ID match the person presenting it. No way.
Once the legal drinking age became established in 1984, this was a milestone for the dram shop law to be modified and specifically towards minors. The dram shop law specified that the bar or restaurant must be shown to be negligent to the intoxicated person. This means that the bar or restaurant continued to serve this person knowing they were well intoxicated. A large issue in the industry today are employees not checking IDs when they are required to.
Hey guys, what can I get you?
Could I please have a lemon drop and 2 Jack and Coke?
Sure. Can I see some ID, please? Okay.
A huge positive to the dram shop law is how helpful it is to the accidents that do occur. They have been said to help parties involved with medical bills, auto repairs, and other expenses applied to them.
If you're in the restaurant business, please be aware of this, okay? A good restaurant or bar will provide training to you and make sure that everybody understands and knows not to serve alcohol to someone who's drunk.
So, when obtaining a liquor license in the hospitality industry, it is crucial to understand the dram shop law and to be prepared that liability is high when serving intoxicated people, who then could harm a third party. Thank you.